So what I was telling, suppose there was a closing profit of 5 lakhs and opening profit was 2 lakhs. So how much the cash inflow or profit we have earned during the year? कितना आएगा? 3 lakhs. Yes or no? 3 लाख से प्रॉफिट बढ़ा ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But मैं बोलूंगा कि there was closing profit of 5 lakhs and opening loss of 2 lakhs. So how much the profit we have earned during the year? I mean, how much cash inflows we got? What will be your answer? Your answer should be 7 lakhs. Why? Because see, 7 lakhs में से 2 lakhs तो वो लॉस को राइट ऑफ करने में लगा रहेगा, आया ना? And then finally we created 5 lakhs का profit. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this kind of adjustment will also come in your cash flow statement questions. Then we need to take non-recurring, non-trading, non-cash items, which are non-recurring, which are not regular in nature, like salary, electricity bill, telephone bill. ये सारी चीजें आएगी नहीं cash flow statement as per AS3. वो सारी चीजें जो कभी कभी आती है, जो appropriations में आती है, वो सारी आएंगी, like provision for depreciation, which is non-cash, profit or loss on sale of asset or investment, goodwill written off, preliminary expenses written off. These are non-cash, non-recurring items. Recurring, regular items will not come. Expenses to be added and incomes to be subtracted. Then you need to take changes in working capital. Okay. So if there is a decrease in current asset and increase in current liability, you have to minus. What do you mean by decrease in current asset? Suppose we have a stock increase in current assets, stock of 5 lakhs, and now we got a stock of 10 lakhs. So there is an increase in stock. हाँ या ना? See, in the question,
Yes, sir.
they will always give you the balance sheet and adjustment. That's it. इसी से बोलेगा कैश फ्लो बनाने के लिए. ठीक है? So balance sheet you will treat it as trial balance, and adjustment will be adjustment which will have to do it. So suppose stock is increasing. Last year it was 2 lakhs, and this year it is 4 lakhs. What would have happened? स्टॉक लेने के लिए आपका कैश बाहर गया रहेगा कि नहीं? स्टॉक परचेज करने के लिए कैश आउटफ्लो हुआ रहेगा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why it is to be deducted. अभी समझा क्यों माइनस होता है? वाइसे वर्सा करो. ठीक है, रिवर्स ले लो. अगर 4 लाख था और 2 लाख हुआ तो स्टॉक बेचा रहेगा और पैसा आया रहेगा कि नहीं? आया ना?
हाँ सर. हाँ.
इसलिए
Yes,
वो
sir.
ऐड होता है. If there is a decrease in current asset to be added, if there is an increase in current asset to be subtracted, and just reverse effect in current liability. If there is a decrease in current liability to be subtracted, and if there is an increase in current liability, suppose last year creditors was 5 lakhs, this year creditors went for 10 lakhs, मतलब 5 लाख और हमने उधार लिया, पैसा तो आया ना मेरे पास. There is an inflow of cash or not? Understood this logic, all of you?
सर इंक्रीज इन करंट लायबिलिटी बताइए ना।
इंक्रीज इन करंट लायबिलिटी, सपोज क्रेडिटर्स, मेरे पास पहले 5 लाख था, वापस हमने और उधार लिया, पैसा आया मेरे पास, और क्रेडिटर्स या बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट ले, ठीक है, और ओवरड्राफ्ट ले लिया 5 लाख का, तो मेरा करंट लायबिलिटी कितना हो गया? 10 लाख हो गया। तो पैसा आया या गया?
सर आया।
समझा? So even though there is an increase in current
Yes, sir.
liability, it will be added. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This plus this and all will give you cash from operating activity. Again, I am writing always net cash flow. Net cash flow might be negative, might be positive, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? Okay? It might be positive or it might be negative. Just 1 second, beta. Okay, then we have net cash flow from investment activity. What is investment activity? If suppose we buy certain assets, okay, suppose you are buying any asset, there will be outflow of cash or not. Suppose we bought a machinery, last year it was 5 lakh, now it is 10 lakh. मशीनरी आपने परचेज किया, तो पैसा जाएगा कि नहीं? 5 लाख से 7 लाख हो गया, देयर विल बी आउटफ्लो और नॉट? Yes or no? Tell me. पैसा दोगे तो ही तो प्लांट आएगा.
Yes.
So there is outflow, so it will be deducted. So if there is any asset purchase or investment purchase, it will be deducted. Rather, if there is a sale, then it will be added. That will again give you net cash flow. Suppose आपने asset बेचा 5 लाख का और 20 लाख का डिबेंचर खरीद लिया, so then it will be negative -15. That is net cash flow from investment activity. Then we have net cash flow from finance activity. If there is an issue of shares, to be added. If there is a loan taken, to be added. If there is a redemption, to be sub. Redemption मतलब पैसा देना. Yes or no? We are giving back money to the shareholders and debenture holders or not?
Yes, sir.
So whenever there is an inflow, to be added. Whenever there is an outflow, to be subtracted. याद रहेगा? With that, you can understand and recollect the entire format. Again, if there is a repayment of loan, to be subtracted. So that will give you net cash flow from financing activity. Finally, it will be net cash flow. उसमें से add और less. Suppose overdraft रहेगा तो minus करना पड़ेगा, और अगर cash positive balance रहेगा तो plus करना पड़ेगा. Will give you cash, closing cash balance should be your answer. जैसे ये क्वेश्चन ले लो, ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस वाज 2 लाख, अच्छा सर तो 2 लाख ही है, तो क्लोजिंग भी 2 लाख ही है. तो फाइनली आप देखेंगे जब इसने कैश फ्लो किया, दिस प्लस दिस, जो व्हाट फाइनली वी गॉट इज 2 लाख एज योर आंसर. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू कंप्लीट द कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. Every question will be only balance sheet and adjustment. Okay? Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
इसी से अपने को सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. This is how we need to solve all the questions. Any doubt to anyone? So always you start with profit, closing profit, deduct the opening profit, add and less the non-cash, non-recurring items. Okay, add or less the working capital, you'll get net cash flow from operating activity. Similarly, we will do add and less for investment activity. Okay, if purchase will there will be a purchase of assets and investment, there is outflow to be deducted. If there is a sale, inflow to be added back. That will be net cash flow from investment activity. Finally, there is a net cash flow required for financial activity. If there is a issue of shares, debentures, bond, it will be inflow, add. There is a redemption, outflow, or repay of loan, outflow to be subtracted. Whatever the final net cash flow we will get to be added or subtracted with opening balance of cash and bank. Closing balance of cash and bank will be my answer. Any doubt?
So, sir, we will start with the illustration in the next lecture of
Tomorrow
cash
or
flow
day after?
statement.
Yes, yes. Whenever our next lecture will be there.
Sure, sir. Thank
तो सिर्फ समझाने के लिए मैंने ये एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर दिया दूसरा भी,
you, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone? And I have
Yes, sir.
cancelled many of your lectures, but no worries. हम लोग आराम से पोर्शन पे हैं. मुझे ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा अभी पढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है. I might not take regular lecture because मैं एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ा दूंगा. That is not there in your C1 syllabus. वो 2 यूनिट हमको C1 के बाद ही पढ़ना है. पढ़ लेंगे फिर it is of no use.
Yes, sir.
अंडरस्टूड. इसी का अभी हम लोग वापस इवैल्यूएट करेंगे, क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, हम आपका यू नो असाइनमेंट चेक करेंगे, वो सारी चीजें करेंगे. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू फॉर योर
Thank you, sir.
कोऑपरेशन एंड असिस्टेंस. थैंक यू बेटा.
Thank you, sir.